By now, we got to know our real spiritual identity. That is, we all are souls. In this video, we will try to discuss some more facts about the soul. Can the soul be destroyed? Is rebirth possible? What is it that we souls carry with us in the next birth? How can some child prodigies exhibit exceptional talent without training? Soul leaves one body and acquires another upon rebirth. Yes, rebirth is possible. Our sanskars or habits, qualities and talents are all energies that are stored in the soul. The soul carries these energies with itself onto its next birth. Hence, you may have noticed small children who are brilliant at an art form from a very early age. They must be practicing that art in their previous birth. In fact, small children are also able to remember their past lives accurately till the age of 6. The deeds done by us in the past inevitably determines our present. We carry the burden of karmic account with us. All resources that we enjoy in this birth is the result of our deeds. The past has an influence on our present luck or misfortune, success or failure. Our negative karmic account can be the reason for the unprecedented events in our lives. Through meditation, one can purify the soul of its past negative karmas in order to enjoy long-term peace and happiness.
निराकार परमात्मा से कनेक्शन जोड़कर अपने मन को शांत और शक्तिशाली बनाने के लिए सीखिए राजयोग मेडिटेशन। 7 दिन सिर्फ 1 घंटा रोज आप ब्रह्मा कुमारीज मेडिटेशन सेंटर पर राजयोग निशुल्क सीख सकते हैं। अपने नजदीकी सेंटर का एड्रेस जानने के लिए या मेडिटेशन ऑनलाइन सीखने के लिए आप हमें ईमेल करें contact@awakeningtv.in या कॉल करें 8209333033 या 8209888988 पर।